Hello friends, welcome back to lmscd.com, and in today's video we will see how you can turn off the activity names auto linking in Moodle course. The activity names auto linking is a filter in Moodle terminology which allows the activity names which are there in the course to be linked with the text with the same name as the activity names. So first I will explain you what exactly it is. So I am logged into this site as a admin, and I will just go to any course, and you can see that I have a activity which is essentially database with the name of database activities. And since this is the name of this activity, it is appearing as a hyperlink here where I have entered a text which contains the same name as the activity name. Similarly, I have another one which is named as glossary activities, and there is a glossary activity which is mentioned here. So this is the thing which we are going to turn off for this demonstration in this video right now, so that you will not have any hyperlinking to the names of activities in your text in your Moodle course. By default, this feature allows the activity names to be linked in the single course only. So for this demonstration, I will be disabling this feature on the course level, and similarly you can also turn this off on the site admin level. So I will just take that off, during the end of the video. So to turn off this feature in this course, we need to go to this more and then expand the filters section. And on this page you will see the filters which are enabled for this specific course. The second one is the activity names auto linking, and as you can see that by default it is turned on in all the Moodle sites. To turn this off, just expand this and click on the off button here and click on the save changes button at the bottom. Now whenever we will go back to the course page, you can see that the hyperlinks to the activity names is disappeared now. So we do not have any more hyperlinking with the activity names in this course. So this is how you can achieve this turn off the activity names auto linking filter in your Moodle course. Now I will just go to the admin page and show you how you can do that. So under the site admin, you need to go to the plugins page and then go to the filters section here and click on manage filters here. Now again on this page you will notice all the filters installed and which are enabled on your Moodle site. So you can see that until this multimedia plugins, I have some filters which are on and some filters which are currently disabled. Now for this, activity names auto linking is currently active and it is applying to only the content. You can also choose to make it applicable on content as well as the headings. So in that case the course headings will also be linked with the activity names filter auto linking filter. But for this demonstration we will just go to this active drop down and click on off. So this is how you can just disable this activity names auto linking filter on your Moodle site. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as press the bell icon for our YouTube channel. It will really help me to create more engaging content for you in the near future. You can also share your thoughts about any problems which you are facing with Moodle, or you would like to have a specific screencast about any topic in the comment section below. I will try to create the screencast as soon as possible based on your requirements, and then we'll share with you. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.